And today in this video we will learn how to install the Git. Git is very important, to the version controls, and in your real life, when you go to workplace, it is mandatory, so we'll open the command prompt and we'll check whether it is installed or not, so if I check, Git, so you see, Git is not recognized, so it's not installed in my laptop. So we'll just download, Git download. So once you go to that, search the Google, you'll see the first link, download Git. So I got that link, and from there, if it's your operating system, Linux, Mac, or Windows, so I'm just going to download in the Windows, for this is the latest version, 2.32.0. So I'm just going to download, and so it is downloading in here, and so it takes showing me less than 2 minutes, 1 minute now. And once it is finished, we will start to install. So without Git, you won't be able to upload your file to the GitHub, so we'll install now. So once it's downloaded, finish. Now it's finished to download now. So just to open it, it will straight away will go to the installation process. So this is the 64-bit version, so majority of the current operating system is 64-bit, so it's asking me to change. Yes, go ahead. There is your installation, so we're going to go in the next. This is where I'll be install program files in Git. Next. Additional icons. Yeah, I want the desktop icons, so that I can open it. And next. This is asking me, what sort of editor you want, because when you want to commit something, you need to write it down, what sort of change you did, things, so the default is showing the Vim, the Beams is sometimes for the new user is very hard to use, you have to find out, how to use the Beam editor, but we'll go through, the Notepad, Notepad++, which is, or use the Notepad as a Git default editor, which is the normal Notepad and Notepad++. And we'll go to Notepad++. So now we have selected a Notepad++ as a default editor, so we'll choose the next. It's asking me, so we'll leave the default, so let's see, which is asking me the security options, on here. So leave the default. Install. So once it's installed, we'll check whether it is installed or not, on a command prompt. We are nearly there. So once it's installed, we'll check whether it is installed or not, so we'll see. So now the Git is already installed, so we'll check our command prompt. Say Git. It's saying it is not recognized. We'll reopen again command this the command prompt. Let's see. Git version. So as you can see, it has been installed, Git version 2.3.32.0, like so you see these are all the command what you can do, like so this is how you can install the Git, like you can check like the what version is installed, like and I'm going to create like the more about the how to create the branch and how to push and how to merge and all this stuff, like from basic to advanced in the Git, like the Git series as well, like so see you next next very much. Thanks, bye bye.